when you go to the poll booth, first thing you will show your iCard or any identity. You will show it to the first person. Then go to the second where a slip is given. Third one, you will get your ink. And then you will be allowed to cast your vote. Okay, these two machines are placed in a compartment, voting compartment, where only one person can see these two machines. Here this machine today is set for 16 candidates. Okay, they said 15 are candidates. The 16th one is a nota. What is nota? None of the above. Okay, usually we don't have 16, maybe there are 7 or 8 or 10. If there is 7 candidates, the 8th one will be a nota. Okay, the remaining finger buttons will be locked, where you will not be able to press them. They will be usually closed like this. So you try this, pressing. Can you press that? No. Try this. So these buttons, the blue buttons are accessible. Today this machine is set for 16. So all candidates which are put here are dummy candidates with just numbers and alpha, beta and all that. Okay, there are no candidates. Otherwise here we will have the name and symbol. Okay. But here when you are casting your vote, only the symbol will come. The names will not come on the slips. Followed? So now we will start voting. When you start voting, ballot is given. You have cast your vote. The VVPAT is next to that, very close, and a slip will come immediately when you press the number. Say I have pressed number 10. Immediately a slip will come here. It will remain there for 7 seconds, which you can see and confirm for yourself that you have voted for number 10 and 10 is come here. And then a long beep is coming and the slip will get cut and will fall in the drop box. Only then your vote is cast. Otherwise don't walk out once you have seen the slip. It may remain hanging there only.
It's 2. Same given.
He's seen the slip. It is still there. It's cut now. A long beep goes. He is confirming for himself. He has given his vote for number 2 and it's gone for number 2.
So when he is inside, well, after beeping, he pressed the other button and he went. So other person comes and he press release the button.
Okay. Regarding that, see, the engage and disengage of the machine will go in this sequence. So right now the machine is not engaged. Upon pressing of this particular ballot button, you find a ready button there, ready line. Green. So that means the ballot get engaged. When it will get disengaged, the vote is being casted.
Yes.
So the vote has to be casted. Once the vote is casted, machine will get disengaged.
Yes.
So thereafter, then the same sequence, the voting pattern continues.
Come and press. Have you?
Yeah.
Number 7. See what.
Number 7.
Certified? Ladies are not participating. Hey, come.
Go to your go. Come from the side.
But the hue and graph opposition
And then most important,
what's it?
the Indian system is what? Paper based. This see the seal. Every machine used are having the seals. To open it, you need to break it. The moment it is broken, it is visible to everyone. Actually, then like another this thing, people will say that okay, they will anyway now Goa is fully trained that they will get like ATM, you are getting slip, so if this slip will come out and you can show. No. Nothing will come out. It will be visible here for 7 seconds and stored inside.